to make a schedule. So making a schedule doesn't mean you have to start cancelling there and then. No, it's simply creating a timetable for your assigned cancellees. So once you create a schedule, then from that schedule that you create, then the cancellees will be able to select to fit in your schedule to say, okay, since he said he's free at this time, then I can talk to him at this time. Hope you get what I'm saying. So let me just log in. This first screen is for the counselor. So let me log in as the counselor. So this counselor is Firo. So once you log in, you can see on cancellees, this counselor is managing one, which is my core. Yeah. So let me just log in also on the other screen here. My core. Okay, before I log in, okay, let me just log in. Okay, so this other screen here is for the cancellee. So the cancellee won't be able to, won't have these cancellees that you have, no. So let me just go on the cancellee, the counselor, sorry, here. So on messages, you're going to see the messages. This is why you chat with your cancellee, your assigned cancellee. If there's another one, there is to come here. Yeah. So in the same way, your cancellee will also have this same view. So he will know to say he's chatting with Firo. Firo is this one, which is the cancellee, which is the counselor. So now how to create a schedule. So as you can see here, if I go on schedule for the second screen here, if I go on schedule, there's nothing here, there's no agenda, because this counselor Firo hasn't created any schedule, so hence this is blank. So I mean the counselee is not sure when they're going to talk to you. He can't just start chatting you. I mean, this will cause confusions. So let me show you how to create a schedule now. So on the first screen here, go on the schedule here. So if you go on the schedule here, let me just make the screen big. Okay, even this one is okay. So you can see select a date, select time range. So once you pick a date here, you're just picking a day here. So let's say, for example, most of you said you'll be free on Fridays, on Saturdays rather. So let's say, for example, we select 22, which is tomorrow. So you can create schedules. You can create schedules in advance if you want, or you can edit them. So if I click 22, let's say, for example, I'll be free 22 starting, I'll be free on 22nd starting from, maybe let me say as an example, 7:15 a.m. to maybe 7:45. This is 30 minutes, right? Yeah, 30 minutes. So it doesn't matter the time. So just create a schedule. If it's 10 minutes, you're free, select that. If it's 30 minutes, you can put that. So then click add time range. So if you click add time range, you see to say your availability has been recorded here. So you are free from, you can do counseling sessions from 7:15 to 7:45. So this schedule that you are creating is not for you to talk to a lot of people. No, this is for one counselee only. So it will be like a competitive thing for counselees that you have been assigned. So the counselees that you're managing will now have to compete with that. Okay, he's made these schedules. Which schedule am I going to create? Is this schedule booked and all that? So let me also select another one. So let's say, for example, on 22 again, I'm going to be free maybe from 9 a.m. to maybe 7:45 a.m. So you add time range. So you can add as many times as you want. So maybe 23, maybe from 2:30 p.m. to maybe 3 p.m. So you add time range. So I've created 3 schedules here. So you can even see on the calendar here, it says it's showing. If I come on the agenda, you see the dates that you've set. So then just click save schedule. So once you click save schedule, then once you come on your calendar here, so you see the schedules that you've set. So this is why you also see if that schedule, if that time that you selected has been picked by any of your assigned counselees. So let me just go on the counselee here on the second screen. You see what will show. So on the calendar at first it was blank. So if you click on schedule, now the counselee will be able to see your schedules. Now they'll be able to see your schedules to say, okay, these are the schedules my counselor is free. So I can come on the agenda, I can say, okay, these are then the counselor will be able to select one session from the maximum is 2 sessions, but I'll limit it to 1 because we have a lot of counselees and we have few counselors. So let me give an example. So this is the counselee. He's going to say, okay, Firo, the counselor Firo is free on these days. So what time am I going to select? So let me give an example. So I can select this. So your counselee can select this. Then you can simply click save selected schedule. So once it's saved, then once it comes on his calendar, here on my calendar, you'll be able to see okay, this is my counseling session. So meaning he will be active at this time. So meaning at this time, this slot has been already picked by this counselee, Michael. So now let me show you what shows here after the schedule has been booked. So if you come on the agenda here, you can see to say this session from 9 to this time has been booked by Michael. So you take note to say, okay, this time that I created has been booked Michael. So meaning at this time you have to communicate with Michael. So you have to tend to his needs. So once you come on cancel this here, excuse me, yeah, so this is my code, the Michael that you're managing. So I'm just going to add what my core, the type of counseling that I selected, so that you know to say, okay, my core wants this, but you can chat with them here and everything. So let's keep it professional, guys. So let's create schedules so that our counselors can schedule their appointments with us. All right, thank you.